Ever signed a document on Docusign and then wondered, hey, where's my proof I actually did that? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to snag that certificate of completion. Alright, so you've signed your document. Awesome. Now, look for a button. It might say download, or maybe other actions. These buttons are usually located in the top right or bottom of your screen. If you see other actions, click it. A drop-down menu should appear. Look for the option that says download certificate. That's the one you want. Clicking download certificate will either open the certificate in a new tab or start a download to your computer. It will be in PDF format. This certificate of completion is your official record. It includes important info like the document name, who signed it, and when it was completed. Keep it safe for your records. You can also find your certificates within your Docusign account. Navigate to your completed documents section. Then find the document you need. Next to the document, there's usually a certificate link or a download icon. Click that, and you're back to downloading your proof. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to get your Docusign certificate of completion. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more document management tips.